Hello guys, in this session we're going to look at a known PHP exploit with regard to databases. And I'm on a site here, Acunex Accurate database here. It's on Vuln Web here, which is really a test site for this. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is get the username and password for the sign up. So here's this artist one here, and I want to either sign up or log in. Okay, now what they're doing here is they're telling us that the username and password is test and test. Okay, but again, nobody will have this, so sign up is disabled. This is purely so we could see if the PHP vulnerability exists. Would we be able to find out if test and test is the username and the password? So how we do that is I'm going to start off by I'm going to first of all use the SQL map command to do this. Okay, so let's open up Calais and let's look at the SQL map. So SQL map -u, and here's the URL. I'm going to artists /PHP ? And I'm using the exploit here --dbs to find out the database systems there. Okay, and when I run that, you'll see there it's fetching the database there, so I can see there's the Accurate one there. Okay, on that. So that's the database we're going to be using. Now let's see the tables that are in that. So it's more or less going to be the same command. Let me paste that in here, just speed it up. Again, everything's the same, artists, but this time I'm adding the database -d, capital D there, the database, and then --tables. So I want to see what tables exist in that particular database itself. So again, it's retrieving there, and you can see artists, cards, catalog, feature, guestbook, pictures, products, and users. So the one there that would be attracted to anybody hacking there would be the users table. So again, in every database, the table will have fields or columns. So what I'm going to do is, this time I'm going to use, again, I'm just extending the actual SQL map to include the database, -t, the users, and then --columns. I want to see what columns are in this user table here. So I'll run that, that's running. Okay, so here I can see all the columns. Okay, I see name, address, card, CC, obviously the credit card number. I'm looking for, really what I'm looking for here is the username and the pass. So what I can do here, again I have this copied just to save a bit of time, just extending it out again here. So you can see I use that database, that table, and to see a username. Now what I'm going to do here is what I want to do here is --dump. So --dump, which is really, sorry, not it there, which is really save. Dump that. There. So just dumping the information out. And there you can see the username, or the column name, which is uname, and the username here is test. And I can do the same with the password. Okay, so again, I'm just going to up arrow here, and again, just change uname to pass. So just PASS and run that, and you can see there it's bringing up the pass column and what the password is there, which is test. So again, I could bring up any of the ones I saw there. So if I go back up and have a look at the tables, let's say I bring up CC, which is probably credit card. So again, I could take out pass and bring up CC and any table there, so you can see there. Okay, sorry about that, shouldn't have that kind of language there. But you see there the how with that PHP exploit, you know, we can actually get in and use and see the vulnerability there. So the vulnerability there was in the PHP exploit of that. Okay, so again, the PHP exploit is this. Let me go to back here, so you can see test, but it's disabled here for whatever. Okay, if I were to just go to Google here and just paste in PHP $ID equals 1, okay, you'll find a load of sites where that exists. Okay, so the trick here is not to go in unless, you know, again, think of GDPR, you cannot go in there to access a site without permission. Okay, so that's, so you can see all the sites there where that PHP exploit exists. Okay, and so again, that AccuArt one there is purposely designed for security. So again, it's a good one just to test out there. Okay, thank you for your attention.